Start. Assalamualaikum. My name is Dr. Farah, and the task assigned to me is the labeling of microscope and how we can use it while visualizing the slide. At first, I will tell the parts of the microscope. This is the ocular lens, which is called eyepiece. This way we can adjust the interpupillary distance, and this part is called the head. And these are the objective lenses. These are stage clips. This is the mechanical stage. This is our illuminator, and this is the on and off switch, and here we can adjust the light. This is the adjustment knobs. This is the coarse adjustment knobs, and this is the fine adjustment knob. Through this knob we can adjust the stage movement of the stage. Now I will visualize. I will tell how we can visualize slide when we come across in talk station. Suppose the slide is placed over here. We will check the power off and on button at the main supply. Then we on the microscope. We will take the slides and we can clean it if it is dirty or there is any dust over it. Then we see where the stain is visible and the cover slip on the upper part of the slide. We will take the slide. We will place it here, and then first we will see at the power of the 4 for the scanning view. After viewing the scanning view, we will see the this slide at the power of the, after 4 we will go to the power of the 10,